Yo, what is up guys? This is Hadi from Hadi Tech, back with another video. In today's video, we're going to be showing you guys how to make money on Whop by making UGC content. UGC stands for user generated content, and I said the UGC word selectively because that's what we're going to be focusing on today. A lot of other content creators on YouTube do think that the simplest way to make money on Whop is just by clipping others content, but I truly disagree with that because it's just time consuming and you cannot get it down, and there is so many stipulations in the WAP community itself to actually get your content approved. So that's what we are focusing on UGC. In today's video, we're going to be giving you a couple examples and giving you a couple websites and tools to help you along the way as well. If you are new to the channel, kindly drop a like, subscribe for more helpful content about making money online. And without further ado, let's just start with our video. So the first thing that you need to do is just head to WAP, create your free accounts. If you have no idea what WAP is, then I highly recommend you watch our previous video for more context. If you are familiar with WAP, then the first thing that you need to do is just obviously, like I said, head to WAP, then go to the Discover tab, and we need to find some offer or content that we need to promote in order to actually get paid. All right, so go to the Explore tab in here and scroll all the way down to the content rewards and click on see all content rewards in here. And like I said before, in the intro, we're going to be focusing on the UGC type of content. So go to type and select UGC from the drop down menu, and we now can see only the UGC type of content. One of the key factors in making money with WAP is that you need to look for a high paying offer. So obviously you're going to look for a high CPM offer that pays you well per 1,000 views. So let's just look for something that we can promote, and also you're gonna pay attention to the platform. So the more platforms that you see, the more money that you can make, the more chances that one of your content is gonna go viral. So look for, like I said, content that has a high CPM and multiple platforms that you can post on. So I found this WAP, and it is the most easiest WAP out of all the ones that I've looked at. It's actually the most easiest that you can maybe work with and make money with. So essentially this WAP is about a health app that helps you control your breath. So if you have trouble controlling your breath, then this app helps you with a couple exercises and such. So yeah, that's the premise of this app. As for the WAP itself, it does pay $2.5 per each 1,000 views, so you are getting $2.50 per each 1,000 views. The type is obviously UGC, and the minimum payout is $10. As for the maximum payout is $3.50. And also you can post it pretty much to any social media that you have. And also for the requirements, they were super easy. That's why I went with this offer right here. The requirements, it says, is just has to be 10 seconds long. You have to tag the brand itself in the captions, and must talk about how using breathwork solved the problem that you had. So you gotta make a video or a script about that as well. We're gonna show you how to do that. Also, you're gonna show the app for 3 seconds in the video using a screenshot or screen recording, and also you cannot mention sex or drinking alcohol in the video. And also the comments and likes must be turned on. So the requirements are fairly easy, but the only downside, like I said before, is they don't give you some raw footage to edit for yourself. So you need to actually download the app and make sure to record the app and you interacting with the app in order to actually edit that footage later on. So that's what I did. Now the next step is to edit this footage in CapCut. So we're gonna edit the video first and foremost, clip some of the not necessary clips that we need, and the second phase is to generate a UGC video, probably a video with an AI avatar that talks about the app itself and how it is actually good, and that way we can use that in order to post these shorts on TikTok, YouTube, and so on. Mind you, like I said before, you gotta pay attention to the requirements. So usually some of them, they will tell you if they don't allow AI videos. If they do, then you need to actually make the videos yourself. But in this example, they don't mind AI videos, so we're gonna stick to AI videos. So let's just head back to CapCut. If you want to download the app itself, the link will be in the description down below, and that's actually better. It's more convenient to use it on your phone or to use it on your desktop. So we're gonna be sticking to the browser version. Let's just create a new project, and let's just upload our footage. So now we have uploaded the footage, and the footage is just me scrolling around the app, interacting with the app. So we need to actually trim some of it. We need at least 40 seconds of the footage, and we have 30 seconds of the overall footage. So let's just trim this. Now I have trimmed the parts that I don't want to be in our promotional video. So let's just go to export and export our video. Click download. Recommended settings, recommended quality, resolution 1080p. Okay, FPS is good. Click export. Now that we have exported our video, let's just move on to the next step, which is creating an AI avatar that promotes this app that we are working on. So the next step is go ahead and create your account on pipit.ai, which is another brand under CapCut itself. The link will be in the description down below. Then go ahead and select the video generator, and in here you need to upload the media first and give it a script to actually create the video for you. So let's just go and upload our media. While the footage is still uploading, I went ahead to ChatGPT and I've told it that I'm creating a short video about the breathwork app and I need you to help me with the script. And it sure did. It gave me the script, but it gave me the script as someone would actually create the video themselves. So I told it it's an AI that is doing the job for me, so could you please refine the script that you gave me and give it to me in a paragraph, and it did just that. So it gave me the prompt itself. So let's just take this and copy it and head back to Pipit, and in here let's just copy the command itself or the prompt itself, and let's just click generate. Once that is done, it will just fill in the recommended settings themselves based on the prompts that you gave it to Pipit AI, and you can add more footage in here, but mind you, you gotta stick to the requirements that have been set in the Whop itself. And they mentioned that we need to only use footage from the app itself, so we're not gonna add any other footage. And if we scroll down here, the highlight says some key points about the app itself. It's a breathing exercise app, management tool, anxiety relief app, so that's good. Targets audience, it's a health conscious individual people, so that's also good. And if we scroll all the way down, you can pick the video type, if it is a highlight video, text overlay, TikTok trend, custom script, product reel. So you can customize the output video from here as well. And if you are satisfied with all of these options, click generate. And just like that, Pipit AI will do the magic itself. Alright, now that Pipit AI did generate these videos for us, let's just take a look at some of them. Let's just, for example, take a look at this.
If you are looking for a simple yet powerful way to manage stress and anxiety, I highly recommend trying Breathwork. This mobile app offers guided breathing exercises that are perfect for anyone juggling a busy lifestyle. It helps you achieve...
As you can see, guys, this is just a high quality video that you can really post, and it has the potential to actually go viral on TikTok. So I don't see why this really would flop. So this one is actually good. Let's just take a second look at another video. Let's just take a look at this one, for example.
Breathe easy.
Live relaxed.
Stress-free.
Anxiety gone.
Introducing Breathwork, the guided breathing app to help you manage stress and anxiety. Let's hear what some users have to say.
Breathwork changed my life. I use it daily to stay calm.
It's a fantastic tool. My stress levels have significantly dropped.
I love the guided exercises. They help me focus and relax.
Breathwork is my go-to app for anxiety relief. Highly recommend it.
This one is also decent, but I truly do like the first one, and you have multiple options to choose from. So I'll just stick to this one for the sake of this video. And as you can see, if you sign up with my link, you'll get a full month for free. Select the no watermark and recommended settings, and click download. Once your video is done, it will be downloaded automatically to your mobile device or your PC. And the last step that we have left is to publish these videos. So go ahead to your respective accounts. If you have a TikTok, then head to your TikTok. If you have a YouTube channel, then go to your YouTube channel and start uploading these videos. So let's just click select video, upload our video that we have in here. And for the description, you can use ChatGPT to generate you a really good description. So let's just head back to ChatGPT and tell it that we need a high converting a title description for TikTok. With that being said, it gave us a couple titles, so I'll choose this one right here. go back to TikTok, put it in here, and just like that, we can, add hashtags. As for the tags, do the same. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the tags that he did, give you, put them in here, and just like that, click post to publish your post. Now take the link and head back to Whop, click submit, and post your link in here. Upload the media, which is the media that we created using the Pipet, and just like that, click submit. Also, I forgot one thing to mention before publishing. You need to actually tag the brand itself, because it's just one of the requirements. So you need to tag the brand under the post of your TikTok video. And with that being said and done, wait for the approval, and that's the easiest way to make money online with Whop. So like I mentioned before, this was the easiest way to make money online on Whop.com. You can create multiple UGC content using AI, using Pipet AI, and scale your business. You can post up to 10 videos on a daily basis and make money like crazy. So if you found this video helpful, kindly drop a like, comment down below if you have any questions, and yeah, see you in the next one, and peace.